Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to erase all data in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to erase all data in your Oppo mobile, you want to factory reset. So how to factory reset one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. So friends, how to factory reset. Friends, click here additional setting. After on additional setting, friends scroll it. Last option friends, click here backup and reset option setting. Friends, you want to on backup my data setting. As you can see backup account, so you can on from here, you can use. Friends, you can see erase all data factory reset setting. Friends, click here. First friends, you want to reset your phone Wi-Fi setting, Bluetooth setting, mobile network setting, you can reset. And friends, click here erase all data setting. Friends, you want to erase all data in your device. Friends, you can see notification, this will erase all data. So friends, you want to erase all data, you want to factory reset your Oppo mobile, you can erase from here. After erase friends, everything will delete in your device. Your download apps, photos, download music apps, music, movies, game, everything will delete in your device. You have any lock, every lock will forget. And guys, before factory reset friends, first of all file transfer your file, photos, app, file transfer. After file transfer friends, click here and click here erase all data, and you can erase all data in your Oppo phone device. Friends, I don't want to erase, I just told you, you want to erase all data, you want to factory reset, you can factory reset. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.